Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Tesla Model 3 screen. First, gather your essential tools, including trim removal tools, a T20 Torx driver, and a new display. Before starting, power down your vehicle and engage service mode to ensure safety. Always protect your interior surfaces with a soft cloth to prevent any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful replacement. Now, let's get to removing the old display. Begin by carefully prying off the side trim panels with a plastic trim tool, working slowly to avoid damage. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting bolts. Use your T20 Torx driver to unscrew them. Finally, gently disconnect all the cables from the back of the old screen, making sure to note their positions for reinstallation. Take your time with each step. With the old screen out, it's time for the new one. First, carefully connect all the cables to the back of your new display, ensuring each connection is secure and properly seated. Next, position the new screen and mount it using the original screws, tightening them just enough to hold it firmly in place. Finally, reattach the side trim panels, pressing them firmly until they click into position. You're almost done. The final step is to power up and test your new screen. Exit service mode and power on your Tesla. Once the system boots, thoroughly test all functions, including touch response, navigation, and media playback, to ensure everything works perfectly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections. Also, remember to check the description below for links to the Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.